with that new shit they dropping, we step on it. No, I on the fan, make a mess on it. Same hit for free, you spent the check on it. We don't speak on my name, put respect on it. These niggas fight why I keep a tech on me. She free, no, she just wanna on me. I put a dick out the bed like a dab, bro. I do not trip off if I had.
What it do, y'all? It's Kay, and today we making homemade Pop-Tarts. Somebody on Twitter said they wanted to see me step outside the box and try new things again. So DM me some stuff on Instagram that y'all want me to cook, make, or do. Now first, I'm finna show y'all what y'all gonna need to make y'all homemade Pop-Tarts. Make them as you watch the video, okay? You're gonna need you some powdered sugar, some eggs, some milk, some bowls, pie crust dough, whatever you wanna call it, bitch. You're gonna need some jelly, some sprinkles, and vanilla extract. Extract, I don't give a damn. You also gonna need a little pan. I don't know why I'm showing y'all that one, because I didn't even use. Now before you get started, you wanna go ahead on and preheat your your oven. Bitch, I said preheat your goddamn oven. Simba know what it is. Get the fuck up out my kitchen. It's 2 sides to the kitchen. Stay on yours. But yeah, preheat your oven and make sure you ain't got nothing in it. Bitch, I had a whole damn Philly cheesesteak in mine. I said, God damn. Now listen, I know a lot of y'all want to be old school and shit, roll your door or whatever, but don't expect me to be old school. I'm not finna blow my muscles trying to roll the shit out of some. Okay, I bought some pie. If you want to make homemade dough, then you do that, okay? But if you're gonna be like me and use the pie crust, make sure you get 2 boxes, because you're gonna need 4 of these in all, because you need it to be thick. Matter of fact, buy 3 boxes, because you're gonna fuck 1 box up. I fucked 1 whole box up. My girl told me to wet my hands, it might unravel better. Good, I thought that was a backwood. I fucked that one up. But on the box, it ended up saying put it in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds, then it unraveled like that. You feel me? Real even. I felt Italian, and that motherfucker got to throwing up the dough. Cornicio. We making out the pizziato. Y'all ain't know I can speak a little French. Oui. That's why my nickname Kiki. Hey, yeah. See, don't play with the dough too much, because you might fuck around and put a hole. Now, when you got your dough ready, all you need to do is cut it into like a rectangle. All you gotta do is cut a square into the circle, okay? You got people that surround you. They gonna try their best to down you, okay? Just cut them squares up out of your circle. If you end up with a hole in it, just patch it up like a backwood, okay? Go ahead on and prep both sides of your dough. Make sure the top piece longer than the bottom, okay? And make sure you put it in the microwave for at least 10-15 seconds so it can come out right. Is it true that you can get cancer from standing in front of the microwave? Because the way I patiently wait on some shit don't make no sense. Now listen, let's go ahead on and prep our other ingredients. Grab you a few eggs, and don't take that many. Eggs is expensive now, bitch. I had 4. I said, I ain't gonna use all 4 of my goddamn eggs, bitch. I'm trying to see who in the fuck chicken think they is. I went to Publix yesterday, and them damn eggs was $8. Bitch, I ain't even want no breakfast no more. I stole the eggs I'm using now from Waffle House. At this point, I'm finna just go buy a chicken, bitch. You ain't finna charge me to keep your kids. Because in reality, we really be watching these chickens children so the mama can live out here freely all around this bitch quacking and shit. I mean, damn, I said quacking like they a duck. Pecan and shit. Anyways, y'all, I'm a blueberry type of bitch, so I use me some blueberry jam, jelly, whatever the fuck. Mine's had actual blueberries in it, because I really love blueberries, y'all. But you just gonna spread your blueberries all across the whole thing, okay? Make sure you spread it out real, like don't be selfish with it, because it's your Pop-Tart, bitch. You ain't got to be stingy with yourself. The Pop-Tart already thick, baby. Just pour it into there, okay? Pour yourself in. Try to be a little neat, because I wasn't, okay? And listen, this is one of the most important parts. Take the egg wash and go across the edges, okay? That's why I said be neat. I wasn't neat at all. I had the damn egg wash everywhere, baby. But listen, it's the hood way, okay? So just take the egg wash and go across the edges. This is why I say go ahead on and prep your top, because I had to eyeball it and make sure that like my top piece was bigger than my bottom. So go ahead on and cut them in advance, and just make sure the top piece bigger than the bottom so it can lay over it all, just like that. Conceal the edges, you know what I'm saying? Put a little pressure around the edges, you know what I'm saying? Just close it so none of the jelly or jam won't slide out on you. Then you're gonna take your fork like this here and take the fork across the edges, you know what I'm saying? Because you know how Pop-Tarts be having them little ragged edges. Take the fork and go across the edge. I had to made it a little hard too, because I love y'all. You feel me? And if y'all love me, y'all go follow me on Instagram. And in case anybody want to say, I don't know your Instagram, well, here you go. Go follow me. It's rollitupk. If I hit 900K overnight, I promise to God I will go live and give away $1,000. If you're watching this video on Facebook, get off it right now and go like the page. If you want to do me one better, click them 3 dots and follow that motherfucker. Most of y'all only follow me on TikTok. I'm finna stop posting on that motherfucker. But now for real, I be appreciating all the support. I don't care which app it come from, especially from my YouTube fans. I really love everybody that subscribe to it. Y'all some real. This road to 400K is about to be a breeze. Now, if you go around all your edges, it's gonna look like this. Listen, y'all, I had only used 1 box. But if you using pie crust like me, trust me, use 2 boxes and double the layers of the dough. You'll see why I said that at the end. But before you bake it, egg wash go all across the whole top of it. And after you do all that, then you put it up in the oven that you should have already had preheated, bitch. Listen to me. If you ain't listen to me, okay. Bitch, I be having 5 alarms set in the same 15 Sometimes minutes. I don't listen to the first one. And the second one got me fucked up, but the third one, okay, I'm gonna get on. Now online it says set the timer for 12 minutes, but I don't fuck with 12. So I set it to 13. While that's cooking, now you want to make your Pop-Tart top. You gonna get you some if you know me, you know I stutter a lot. Please don't address me in person about it. Girl, you be stuttering, bing, bing, bing. I do not stutter with these hands. Well, obviously I do, because I made a mistake and dropped the goddamn. Just pour a little bit of vanilla extract in there, y'all. Get you a cup of milk, because you're gonna pour inside of the powdered sugar as you go. If it's too watery like this, that means add some more powdered sugar. Because listen, we need the velocity of the ice cream to be thicker. The magnitude of the icing starts to get a bit thicker. That's when you know you're coming up on the right icing, okay? Y'all stop playing with me. I whisk the fuck out of this shit. It made me feel like I just made some type of potion, like What if the Powerpuff Girls was made out of this sugar, spice, and everything nice? Was they gay? I don't give a fuck what nobody said. Buttercup, the Powerpuff Girl, that bitch was gay. I was like, at any moment, this bitch gonna come in the next episode busting the ass. She was a stud. She was a boo. Okay, anyway, so I had checked my icing and it was so delicious. I'm telling you, it was fatty potent. And my timer had went off, so it was time to take my my Pop-Tart out the oven. Stove, oven, I really don't give a damn, okay? I took it out the goddamn thing. Y'all, it smelled so good. It had the whole house smelling gay. I said, oh, it smells so fruity in it. Now listen, when y'all take it out the oven, please let it sit. Please let the shit sit. I was so damn excited. I went ahead on and started pouring the shit. Tell me why I got to sliding on down and shit. My girlfriend talking about some, just hurry up and pour. As soon as I listened to this motherfucker, it got to looking like I had Elmer's glue every damn well. I was sitting there trying to stop it. I was like, oh Lord, I done messed it up. Jesus Christ, it was too hot. Just go ahead, give it about 15-20 minutes. Let it sit out for 15-20 minutes. Okay? I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like I wasn't for the bus out crying, because I would. But trust and believe, I ain't give up on it. I ended up figuring it out and I had cleaned it up a little bit. That's how it looked, okay? That's clean enough. Y'all know I couldn't forget to glaze my heart. Had to put some of that around my heart. Then you want to take your sprinkles and you want to just go ahead on and use some elbow action. Sprinkle bay, salt bay, whatever his name was. Make sure the Pop-Tart's still wet before you do that, because why the fuck the sprinkles just dry? Jesus Christ, I don't need to be doing stuff. But guess what? It probably was hard, but it ended up working out. I ended up just pushing it down a little bit and it worked out. I'm so proud of y'all. Y'all see it. Look at my Pop-Tart. Who look better, me or the Pop-Tart? Me, bitch. I reply to DMs on Instagram. I keep trying to tell y'all, tell me what y'all want me to try next, and I will do it. Jesus Christ, make sure y'all let it sit a little bit before you get to showing everybody. My shit got to running down. But for real, don't cut it yet. Let it sit for another 10 minutes. Then you can cut it. At first, I was down myself. I said, Lord, I don't know what I done did and how it's finna look, how it's finna taste, but I don't trust. But watch this, bitch. Whatever you want, whatever you need, anything you want now, baby, I'll do it naturally. Whitney Houston ain't got a fuck thing on me. I was so proud I got to taking pictures with the shit. I said, hey, now I got to send this to my mama. Now, the most important part. How in the fuck do it taste? Ay, delicious the motherfucker. That shit was so motherfucking good, it turned me into a Spanish. Don't no fucking play with me. I said, it was so fucking good. And it really tasted like a Pop-Tart. I used to come to school with Pop-Tart in the juice so everybody can ask me for some. Ha, bitch, no. My mama said don't be coming to school giving away all my food. Now, this is why I said double the layers, y'all, because on the back of it, it was too thin, bitch. Double the layers. Stop eating motherfucking crumbs off the floor. I don't know if he was trying to be funny or what, but it was not nasty. Like, the fuck? I made this heart just for y'all, so go ahead on and like this video. And drop a heart in the comments if y'all love it. If you end up making this giant Pop-Tart at home, make sure you tag me in the videos and the pictures so I can show y'all some love. I don't know what Simba got going on. I guess he just wanted to wait on me in the kitchen because he thought he was going to get another piece, which you not.
Master. These niggas fake, they some asses. Talk when I dance with the Glock like a pastor. Step on his ass like some glasses. These niggas know I've been doing this shit on crib.